Hello and welcome. So it's that time, it's springtime. It's time to clear off the top of your rig, wash it, make sure that the gutters don't have stuff in them. We're by some trees that have a lot of helicopter seeds, so they all get stuck right here at the end here where the water is supposed to drip and spool out down to the ground below. So I just went through and I use a leaf blower and just been going along, just walking along the edge, blowing off both sides, and then as they all bunch up at the end, then I've just been sticking my finger in there. Otherwise you can use like a toothbrush or some sort of soft brush to be able to get the rest of those helicopters out. Otherwise, as you can see, the water is flowing here now. So as I've just been going along here and making sure I'm getting all those helicopters out of there. I should get rid of all those helicopters. And sorry, I got the AC running here in the background. But yeah, there's lots of stuff in here, so I usually just use my finger and work it out. It's usually just those helicopters. And then too, I've noticed, see how the corner of this is? I've had it where this, when we first got this rig, this was squished up against the end here, so when the water flowed, it would only allow a little trickle through to get to this little channel that drops it out to the side. So I used a flathead screwdriver, carefully stuck it in here, and then twisted to bend it back out to make it more open, so then that way the helicopters, or if there is any debris that's in this channel, just like, I guess what you call like a gutter system, then it's got a better chance of hitting the end and then dropping down to the angled channel and dropping it down in the ground. So you might want to check that out too while you're going to clean these out. Just make sure that all four of those corners are bent open pretty well, so there's good flow flowing through there, so less likely for you to have a blockage or any water building up because there's gunk in that channel for it to drain out. Always what I do is I usually start off, I blow the roof, I go through with the leaf blower like I just did, blow all the channels down both sides, and then I'll come back with the leaf blower and then I'll blow the awning, which is on this side, and then the slide toppers. We got two slide toppers, and then we also have this back awning, so then also do this one. And then from there, then I work on the slide outs, so any of the slide boxes that are open that don't have a slide topper, then I'll go through and blow those all as well with the leaf blower. And then while I'm up here, I just inspect, just check out the caulk that's around the different items, so just see wherever there's caulk and then check and make sure that the caulk looks good and that it's holding up, and that there's you don't have any holes or divots in there where water could get in. So just kind of check them all here as I go. Just do a quick inspection now, and then from here, then I would come back and wash the whole roof. I'm not going to end up doing that today, but that would be a next step. We're actually working on moving to our next destination here, but always, yeah. So it's kind of what springtime, some roof maintenance that I do. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll catch you next time.